And here we are in our metal fabrication shop. Again, as we had spoke about earlier, here at Carver Yachts, we're very vertically integrated. So we have a full metal fab facility here. Here in our metal shop, we do all of our own stainless steel rails, and all of our stainless steel is 316 grade US manufactured stainless steel. We do all of our aluminum reinforcements that are used throughout the boats in our Carver cast reinforcement system in here. We make all of our different support structures that get laminated into the hulls and into the decks. And we also have a full paint facility here that's attached onto our metal fab shop. So again here, staying with the same theme of we like to do everything here in-house. As you can see as we're walking through here today, we build absolutely everything, components for the boats, and also manufacturing support parts such as carts and jigs and things needed to manufacture the product here. One of the things that I did want to mention here while we're in the metal fab shop, as we spoke of earlier, all of our stainless steel rails that we use on the boat, they're all 316 US grade stainless steel, and there's no chrome plating or there's no dipping of materials that are used on the boat. It is all polished stainless steel. So our craftsmen here in our polishing shop will take the welds, sand them down to a super fine finish, and then they will polish them to this high gloss finish. So the rail looks like one seamless piece when they're done.